So I'm looking at, I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right, Lucy Boynton. Her hairstyle, that's kind of what I'm going to get to.
Okay, one length bob.
You can see that how the different way they kind of style it.
Yep, that's more akin to where your hair, how your hair would look like.
Right, so the kind of time might being thicker.
Yes.
It would look more like that.
A bit more kind of fuller at the bottom there if you go for it one length. And that would be cool. It'd be really, really cool to raise your hair to get it to one length as well, because you get a real load of texture, keep these layers long through the top, and that'll give it a nice amount of movement. But you're not really there yet.
Oh, nowhere near there yet. So what do you recommend? Because I've got an undercut.
Yep.
How do you recommend we're going to do?
So what we're going to have to just do today is it's just going to have to be a little tidy up and trim through the bottom there. We'll still have to keep that fairly short just to allow these layers to grow down. And we'll just have to take a lot of the weight out of it, more so through the back, not so much through the sides. We won't really need to do an awful lot to the sides, and then maybe just take a little bit off these layers to encourage growth, but just to get the back to match up with those sides as well.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Super.
Cool. Let's do it now.